Hello and welcome to Speedrack West. In today's video, we'll show you how to install racks while avoiding common mistakes. We'll guide you step by step through the proper assembly of pallet racking systems. Let's rack it up. Stage 1. Pre-installation check. Before starting the rack assembly, check that all the components from your order are present and undamaged. This includes frames, beams, accessories, and safety items. Once verified, place the kit roughly where the rack will be installed. Stage 2. Assembling the frames. Each pallet rack frame is made up of 2 upright posts with foot plates, connected by horizontal and diagonal braces. Welded frames are fully welded into a single rigid structure at the factory. There's no assembly required. Just set them in place and you're ready to go. Bolted frames from Speedrack West typically ship pre-assembled as well. However, on rare occasions, usually to reduce shipping cost and prevent freight damage, you may receive bolted frames that require assembly. If that's the case, don't worry. Click the link in the description below for a quick walkthrough on how to assemble bolted frames. Stage 3. Assembling the rack. At this stage, you'll need at least 2 workers, a bit of good music, and 10 well-defined steps. 1. Stand frames vertically. Do not anchor yet. Two. Install the beams by inserting the connectors into the uprights perforations at the desired height. Horizontal beams connect to frames with hooks at both ends. Be sure to use the safety clips. 3. Make sure the beam is securely locked in place. Use only a rubber mallet to prevent accidental damage. 4. Insert safety locks, drop pins, or clips into the designated holes. 5. Continue adding frames and crossbeams to complete the row, expanding it as needed. 6. After assembling all rows, check their alignment against the layout. Check the level and plumb conditions on storage racks. A vertical tolerance of 1/8 inch in 4 feet, or other as specified on installation drawings, is generally acceptable. 7. Anchor the rack frames to the floor with expansion bolts. Drill holes into the floor using a hammer drill with the appropriate diameter bit. It's almost always 2 wedge anchors per footplate, unless specified otherwise in the installation drawings. Anchor bolt strength can vary, so consult the specifications when purchasing your own. 8. Lay decking or other alternatives on beams. You have some options to choose from: wire mesh decking, solid steel, punch decking, bar grating decking, wood, and flanged pallet supports. 9. Install column guards on the aisle side uprights to protect them from accidental forklift damage and extend their lifespan. Pin it, lock it, bolt it, boom, you're done. If needed, you can add a rack back guard panel, guard rails, and safety netting. 10. Insert special accessories like pallet rack flue guards. These single-position flue guards act as safety stoppers to help keep pallets securely in place and prevent them from shifting or falling off the rack. We hope you've successfully completed your rack assembly. If you have any questions or need assistance, our specialists are here to help. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful and informative videos. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments.